Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own thumbnails with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Open Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail. Go to Elements and type Interior to add it as a background. Choose an image from the ones that appear. I'm going to use this one. Set it as a background. Now add a rectangle shape from Elements. Adjust the size. Change the color. Lower the transparency. Go back to Elements and search for a person image. Replace this step by uploading your own photo. Use the background remover to remove the background. Click on Edit. Scroll down to Shadows. Select Glow. Scroll down and adjust the size and blur amount. Change the color to blue. Now go to Elements and search for blue light. Click on Graphics. Choose one, I'll choose this. Adjust the size. Place it over the image. Then go to Position. Select Layers. And send the light behind the image. Adjust the position of the image and the lighting. And adjust the size. Click on Transparency and reduce the opacity. Go to Elements and search for Canva to add the Canva logo. I'll choose this one. Go back to Elements again and search for the YouTube logo. I'll choose this one. Add text. Write the video topic. Change the font as you like. Add text effects to make it stand out. Duplicate the text. Change the writing. Adjust the position. Add another text box. Here, write an additional title. Choose a different font to maintain contrast in the design. Choose what suits you based on your design. Now go to Elements and add additional effects. I'll choose these squares. Adjust the size. Go to Position, then Layers, and send the squares behind the image. Lower the transparency. Go back to Elements and add more effects to the design. Adjust the size. Go to Position, then to Layers, and send it to the back as well. I'll add a red light square behind the YouTube logo. Adjust the size and place it here. Now select the Canva logo. Click Edit, then scroll down to Shadows. Select Glow. Change the color. Max out the size and blur amount. Slightly increase the size of the Canva logo. You can use your imagination and get even more creative with your design. That's it. Here's a quick recap of what we did today. Created a new design using Canva. Made a background image. Used our own photo after removing the background. Applied shadows and glow to highlight key elements. Added the Canva and YouTube logos with adjustments and effects. Wrote the video title and extra text with contrast in fonts and effects. Added final touches to improve the design's liveliness and clarity. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.